Savvy. In today's video, we are going to dive into the Mehron makeup, the Gypsy Shrine 8 face and body makeup palette with mirror and professional brush. So this is what the palette looks like. It was pretty expensive and it was on sale. It was like $45 for this makeup palette. So it was very pricey, but I decided to get it because of some of the makeup looks I do. I decided not to use all my Jeffree Star lipstick because on TikTok I get hated on for using my Jeffree Star lipstick for stuff other than lipstick. So decided to get this. This is what it came with. It came with one face jewel set, so I'll probably do a look with that. It's so pretty. But not today. But that's what it came with. It's called the Gypsy Unicorn Queen all-in-one face jewels. And then it came with the palette. So here's the palette. It has pretty good weight to it.
You dip it in water. So there's the, you can't even see. There's the pink, which on me, I'm so light that it's hard to tell. But this is going to be kind of... There's the red. Yellow. And the lighting here is horrible, so you can't even tell. What color are your makeup? Black. So... Blue. The blue didn't work that well. Oh, there we go. Blue. There's the blue. I found it. There it is. Huh? The lighter blue. It feels so nice. I've never had a professional face painting kit before, so I'm super excited because, as I said, a lot of my looks, I'm more of the artsy aspect of it. I don't do pretty eyeshadow, so... Oh, the purple's pretty. I'm gonna do your face, baby. Hold on, honey. And then the white, which is probably gonna be the one I use the most because of the fact. Yep, there's white. And then here, I'll show you. All these swatches on my arm.
Okay, so now that we've seen the swatches, we are going to paint this one's face because my makeup's already done today. So let me go ahead and do that. What do you want on your face? What do you want to look like? What do you want to be?
Unicorn.
Okay, so she gave me a challenge. So let's see.
And I'm not the greatest artist, but I'm getting there. I can't draw, so we'll see how this turns out. Can you not move? Okay. Now peek. You quit moving. Good. Stop. Okay, quit. Literally just say, I said stop moving. Now to get something complicated. Close your eyes. There you go. Good. I'm done. I'm done now.
What are you?
I'm a unicorn.
I mean, as I said, I know I'm not the best artist, but it performs very well, so it's definitely good for like those little details if you want to do a creative look. I would highly recommend it. It is expensive though, so keep that in mind. The price point's a lot. I haven't ever owned any, as I said, face paint, so this is the first time I've owned face paint. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review, and hope you enjoyed seeing how happy my daughter was after I put the makeup on her. So yeah, bye guys.